This video will focus on the Unit 2 review worksheet numbers 6 through 9. In numbers 6 and 7, the directions ask us to simplify each expression. Write your final answer on the line provided. Now I just circled my answer at the end. You can also write the solution on the line provided. It's really important when you go to simplify expressions that you add the opposite. If you're going to be moving terms around, if you're going to be combining terms together, please add the opposite as your first step. So number 6, I rewrote negative 2a minus 3a as negative 2a plus negative 3a. And then, of course, we have our plus 6 at the end, which we don't change. We can combine the negative 2a and the negative 3a since they're like terms. In fact, I'll highlight those. Do negative 2 plus negative 3 to get negative 5. So my final solution is negative 5a plus 6, or 6 plus negative 5a. Number 7, I would add the opposite from the beginning and rewrite this as negative 9b plus b. And we can even write it as negative 9b plus 1b, putting a coefficient in front of the b. Do negative 9 plus 1, since these are like terms, gets us negative 8b. Number 8 is a multiple choice question involving simplifying expressions. So first thing I did was I added the opposite. 2x minus 5y is 2x plus negative 5y plus our 6x. I put my like terms, the 2x and the 6x, side by side. And 2x plus 6x gets us 8x. So you can see I wrote that here. So I have 8x plus negative 5y. That's equivalent to 8x minus 5y. Again, you see it written differently, but if I add the opposite for 8x minus 5y, then that's the same as 8x plus negative 5y. So it's really important not to just choose D because you think, oh, it looks really close, it's got to be the same thing, or choose C because you're like, well, my answer's not there, so maybe I should subtract these and get 3xy. You want to find an answer that's absolutely equivalent to this, which is 8x minus 5y, or choice A. Number 9 involves the distributive properties. There's a lot of words here, but really all it's asking you to do is use the distributive property. It says the side lengths of regular polygon R can be represented by the expression 1/3 in parentheses R minus 6/7, which expression also represents the side lengths of polygon R. So you can see all of these expressions do not have parentheses, so that means we need to use the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses. So take 1/3 times R minus 1/3 times 6/7. 1/3 times R is 1/3 R, and we can see each of these choices has that, but we need to multiply 1/3 by 6/7. If you plug it into your calculator, it's probably going to give you 2/7 right off the bat. You can also do 1 times 6 to get 6, 3 times 7 to get 21, and 6/21 also reduces to 2/7. The only answer choice that matches that is choice B.